Have you ever thought about turning your household waste into gold? Well, not literal gold, but something that your garden will definitely value as such. It's all about composting, a process that transforms organic waste into a rich soil conditioner, reducing landfill waste and boosting soil health. Sounds interesting? Let's dive into the process. Composting isn't rocket science, but it does require a bit of knowledge and effort. Here's a simple guide to help you get started. First things first, you'll need to choose the right compost bin or pile. There are many options out there, from tumbling bins to simple heaps in your backyard. The key is to find something that suits your space and composting needs. Next, let's talk about what you can compost. Most organic materials like fruit and vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, eggshells, grass clippings, and leaves are perfect for composting. However, avoid meat, dairy, and diseased plants as they can attract pests or create unpleasant odors. Now, on to the layering. Start with a layer of browns for carbon, think dried leaves or straw. Then add a layer of greens for nitrogen. Your kitchen scraps are ideal. Repeat this brown and green layering process until your bin or pile is full. It's also crucial to turn your compost pile regularly to provide oxygen, which aids in the breakdown process. And don't forget to maintain the right moisture and temperature levels. Your compost should be as wet as a wrung-out sponge and ideally reach a temperature of between 90 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, when your compost has turned into a rich, dark material, it's ready to be used. Apply it to your garden and watch your plants thrive. And voila, you've turned your kitchen scraps and yard waste into a nutrient-packed soil amendment. Before we wrap up, here are the key points to remember about composting. Composting offers numerous benefits, from enriching soil to reducing waste. It's a process of transforming organic materials, some not compostable, into a valuable resource. Remember, composting is not just about recycling waste. It's about creating something valuable from something that would otherwise be discarded. So, are you ready to turn your waste into gold? Take the leap and start composting today. Share your journey in the comments. Let's inspire each other in making our gardens and the environment healthier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy composting!